The US has always had a rocky relationship with crypto. While the citizens absolutely love cryptocurrencies like Shib, the government has been largely skeptical, and more recently things seem to have taken an unprecedented turn as there have been mentions of money laundering. Keep watching this video for an explanation of what this turn is about and how it could affect Shiba Inu. Welcome to Easy Crypto, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay up to date with all the Shib news predictions and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Before we get to the main news, here are a few quick updates to start with. Shipment activity has been enormous in the past couple of days. Over the weekend, the community managed to send about 40 million Shib tokens out of existence forever, with about 11 million of those burns happening in just one transaction. And in about 7 days, the community was able to burn close to 200 million Shib tokens. By the way, we have Shib Superstore to thank for the 11 million Shib burns. In fact, the shipment project has been really active in the Shib burn scene, which is quite understandable considering it is literally a burn project. But a lot of the burns have been happening thanks to private, small-scale holders who are committed to bring the price of Shib down. It just shows that getting Shib to a more profitable price is a collective effort. Secondly, whale activity with Shib has been on steroids in the last 2 days. The largest crypto holders on the Ethereum blockchain have gobbled up trillions of Shib tokens. The sizable transfers of Shiba Inu occurred over the weekend, according to data from 2 well-known wallet trackers, and one of those was identified as a purchase made by one of the 200 largest whales on the Ethereum network. The whale Boromir purchased a whopping 120 trillion Shib tokens, worth about $1.04 million at the time of purchase. As a result of purchases like this, Shib is now trending as one of the most traded tokens in the crypto market. It is also the largest crypto asset by USD value among the 100 largest wallets on the Ethereum chain. So pretty impressive. But why has Shib been experiencing these positive movements? Well, it could be because of Satoshi's recent cryptic message about the imminent launch of Shibata. At this point, we are probably all used to Satoshi being cryptic about the project updates he gives, but he always manages to get the community to think and ponder on whatever update he gives. It's most probably because we are all eagerly waiting for the launch of Shibata anyway. Satoshi made the cryptic update on the Shiba Inu Telegram channel, and it simply reads, "Keep popcorn on the ready." This is obviously quite strange because there were absolutely no mentions about a Shiba Inu project, and Satoshi did not give a follow-up message by way of explanation. However, this has not stopped Shib holders from showing their excitement. In fact, the message on Telegram got a lot of excited reactions and a couple of mind-blown ones. At this point, it is pretty obvious that the reason there were so many excited reactions is because many people believe that Satoshi was somehow referring to the launch of Shibata. In fact, a Shiba Inu influencer posted a screenshot of Satoshi's message on Twitter and tagged "Shibarim is coming." So the overwhelming prediction is that Satoshi is hinting at Kobarchin being launched soon. What's more, some have gone as far as saying that Shibarian Beetle will be rolled out on Valentine's Day, February 14. This particular prediction is based on the fact that Satoshi mentions in his Twitter bio that Shibarim will be in a heart-shaped box with a bow. So who knows? Maybe the popcorn thing is Satoshi telling us to get ready to enjoy the launch. But then again, he said we wanted the time to celebrate when Shibarim launches anyway. Please share what you think about all of this in the comments section below. Now to the main news. Senator Elizabeth Warren is calling for a crackdown on crypto money laundering. She urged the United States Congress to give authorities like the Securities and Exchange Commission the resources they need to adequately oversee the cryptocurrency business and combat money laundering operations. She believes that the current legal structure currently exposes crypto as a breeding ground for nefarious activities, and financial agencies just need to be empowered to clamp down on the market. In an interview with Politico's Morning Money on Wednesday, Senator Warren stated that her primary emphasis in regards to crypto-related legislation is to crack down on money laundering activities. According to her digital asset Anti-Money Laundering Act of 2022 will be reintroduced. This measure, which was initially submitted in December of last year, is reportedly the most direct attack on the autonomy and privacy of cryptocurrency users. Senator Warren believes that this move will protect the U.S. economy, but crypto investors know that a law like this could make crypto a lot more difficult to trade. Remember that one of the draws of crypto is that it isn't heavily regulated. So if the U.S. government goes ahead to insert itself into the crypto market, many people might decide to steer clear of it. However, it might not be all bad. The reason Senator Warren is calling for a crackdown on crypto is not just because she doesn't think it is any good. She's apparently doing this to reduce cases of money laundering with crypto. So a move like this might be good for the entire crypto ecosystem in the long run. It could help make things safer, which might prevent cases like the FTC's collapse that rocked the crypto market last year. Also, considering that Shiba Inu has been ranked as one of the safest crypto projects means that chip holders might not have anything to worry about. But what do you think? Do you think the good will outweigh the bad? Or vice versa, as you consider that there's something else that you need to know? Also, there's now a membership option on this channel. Becoming a member gives you access to a private group. Chat with me where we get to discuss crypto gems, finances, and success if you are interested. Hit the membership button. In the US, Congress is not the only branch of the US government that is talking about regulating cryptocurrency. The Biden administration just released a statement that mentions its comprehensive framework for cryptocurrency and encourages Congress to tighten the screws on its plans to regulate crypto. The administration's first ever comprehensive framework for developing digital assets, which was published in September 2022, is the initial component of the roadmap. And the roadmap was created based on reports required by the President's Executive Order on Ensuring Responsible Development of Digital Assets, which was issued in March 2022. Second, executive agencies are publishing new instructions and stepping up enforcement. Governmental organizations are creating public awareness campaigns to educate consumers to realize the hazards of buying cryptocurrency. It specifically named banks, regulators, and urged them to keep up their efforts. The announcement was made on the same day that the Federal Reserve rejected Custodian Bank's application to join the Federal Reserve System. If the Biden administration is talking about educating people on the hazards of buying crypto, it does sound like they don't trust the cryptocurrency at all. Wouldn't you agree? But it could also just mean that they are trying to inform people that as much as there are upsides with crypto, there are also downsides, and people really need to be aware of both sides before making a decision. But what do you think? Is the US government completely anti-crypto? Meanwhile, Bitcoin seems about ready to do something crazy. Veteran commodity trader Peter Brandt recently tweeted about his most current appraisal of Bitcoin BTC. According to him, the price of BTC has created a double-walled fulcrum pattern, which is an incredibly uncommon event. He added that the mid-25,000 range for the cryptocurrency is his aim. According to You Today, the double-walled fulcrum pattern is a technical chart pattern that appears to have been introduced by Brandt himself. It is not a widely recognized pattern in the traditional financial market, and is not included in the standard set of chart patterns used by technical analysts. Many investors and traders consider Brandt's most recent appraisal on the Bitcoin market worth paying attention to. And that's because he has quite the crypto experience, and has also made some solid Bitcoin predictions in the past. So we might see Bitcoin go really crazy soon. And this seems even more plausible when you consider what we talked about in a different video about another prediction mentioning that Bitcoin could hit a new all-time high of $200,000. Finally, I want to believe that most of us know how connected the crypto market is. If these Bitcoin predictions come to pass, it would most likely affect the rest of the crypto market, including Shib. So that's definitely something to look forward to. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.